Hello, welcome back to everybody in my Patreon group on the Private Members Club. So another exclusive video today. This one's just a quickie bonus video, and it's an unboxing or unpackaging of a new fragrance that I've received in the post through eBay. I've got two things coming. I think I know which one this is, but we're going to find out. And it's another vintage fragrance that I've picked up on eBay in the UK. Let's see what we've got. Just arrived this morning. So, it seems well packaged. Yeah, it is what I think it is. And, okay, so here it is. You may be able to tell through the wrapping what it is. It's going to have a really nice bottle from what I've seen in the pictures on eBay. So let's see if we can get stuck in there without doing any damage to the box. Okay, so we have Salvador Dali. The house, Salvador Dali, and the fragrance is called Salvador Eau de Toilette Pour Homme. Lovely box design already, and we can see a little bit of blurb and stuff there. Less blurb and ingredients than you get on modern fragrances. It's pretty old, and in fact I better give you some details about this one. So Salvador was released. Let's tidy up the backdrop. Okay, Salvador was released back in 1992. Perfumers are Gerard Anthony and Ilias Armenidis, and the notes are very long, so I hope you've got a while. We've got aldehydes, artemisia, caraway, coriander, green notes, tarragon, pepper, bergamot, carnation, cinnamon, jasmine, rose, leather, tonka, amber, patchouli, musk, oak moss, vanilla and cedar. We're going to have a look at the spectacular bottle now. I know this one gets compared a little bit to Ralph Lauren's Safari, which funnily enough came out in exactly the same year. So it's an old school masculine, maybe slightly barbershop type scent. And the bottle is a big part of the reason why I purchased this one, as we can see. So it's got the famous Dali thing with the lips on the top there. It's a 50ml eau de toilette splash here. And as we can see, the bottle design, well, I think that is absolutely brilliant. I have never smelled this, so let's try a little bit. I'm going to put a little bit on my skin. I've actually got something else that I'm testing on, so it's a little bit dusty there, this one. Let's see if we can do this neatly. So we've got a very primitive kind of splash bottle. It seems to be unused. I'm just going to put a little bit on the edge of this part of the underside of my wrist. So I'll put some on there. Let's take a sniff and see what we get. Again, fantastic design on the bottle there. Okay, yeah, definitely a real old school fougere type smell. It is, yeah, I can see that comparison that people are making to Ralph Lauren's Safari with a similarly brilliant bottle design actually. And it's, yeah, definitely a kind of mossy, herbaceous, definitely oak moss, almost a tobacco-y kind of feel in there, but you're definitely going to pick up on the leathery combination of leather and patchouli that was common in those kind of fragrances. Really, really nice on first impression. Very bright and natural smelling, and does have that real old school smell. So I'm looking forward to trying this one out a little bit more. Let me know if you've got anything from the Salvador Dali line. Has anyone else out there tried this one? I'm absolutely thrilled to have it. I think it was £35 for the 50ml. More than anything, I love that bottle design. But so far, yeah, the smell really, really nice. Not mega dated powerhouse, but certainly of its time, and looking backwards in its kind of smell to the 80s rather than forwards to the more aquatic things that came along in the later years of the 1990s. So that's it for today. Just a quickie. Thanks ever so much for joining me. Let me know if you've made any purchases this week, or if you've tried anything from the Salvador Dali line, including this one, Salvador. Bye bye.